Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will explore the approval system in Logic ERP, including multi-level approvals and approval tracking. Let's begin by setting up the approval process. To do this, go to the Approval Setup module. Click on Select Events and select Purchase Order Quotation against Purchase Indent. After selecting the event, click on Refresh Tree. The event is now being displayed here. To allocate users to the relevant event, simply right-click on the event and select Allocate Users. Here, we are allocating the manager, supervisor, and administrator users. As you can see, the users have been successfully allocated to the selected event. Additionally, by right-clicking on the event, you can set the allocated user order. In this case, the approval sequence has been defined as manager first, followed by supervisor, and then administrator. Now, let's log in as a user. Generate a purchase indent by going to the Purchase Indent module. Enter the department name and supplier name. Then add the item details. Once all the required information is entered, save the document. Next, we will generate a purchase order quotation by retrieving the purchase indent. Enter the department name and supplier name, and then click on Retrieve Purchase Indent. Select the relevant purchase indent document that we just created and click OK. As you can see, the purchase indent has been successfully retrieved. Finally, save the document. Now, let's log in as the administrator. Now, go to My Messages. Select Purchase Order Quotation against Purchase Indent Approval. As you can see, this screen is currently blank. This is because the approval hierarchy has been configured in such a way that the manager must approve the document first, followed by the supervisor, and finally the administrator. Now, let's log in as the manager. Go to My Messages. Select Purchase Order Quotation against Purchase Indent Approval. As you can see, the document created by the user is pending for approval at the manager end and is displayed here along with all the relevant details. Now, simply select the document, click on Approve Event, and then click Approve. The document has now been successfully approved by the manager. Now, let's log in as supervisor. Go to My Messages. Select Purchase Order Quotation against Purchase Indent Approval. The document approved by the manager is now pending for approval at the supervisor level. You can also track key approval details such as the last approver name, last approval date, and last approval status. Select the document, click on Approve Event, and finally click Approve. The document has now been successfully approved by the supervisor. Now, let's finally log in as administrator. Go to My Messages. Select Purchase Order Quotation against Purchase Indent Approval. The document approved by the supervisor is now pending for approval at the administrator level. Now, select the document, click on Approve Event, and then click Approved. The document has now been successfully approved by the administrator. This is how the multi-layer approval workflow functions providing visibility into recent approvals.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.